In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images inside a Power BI table or matrix visual, so your report displays images alongside your data. Integrating images within your reports can provide a more dynamic and informative presentation, and it's quite simple once you get the hang of it. So, let's dive right into the process. To begin with, it's essential to ensure that your data includes the URLs of the images you would like to display. Whether you're working with Excel spreadsheets, SQL databases, or any other sources, make sure there's a dedicated column containing URLs linking to each image. Crucially, these URLs must be publicly accessible. In other words, they should not require any form of login or authentication to view. This is a key point because it ensures smooth and uninterrupted access to the images when you work with them in Power BI. Once you've got that set up in your data, the next step is to properly configure these image URLs within Power BI. Open Power BI Desktop and navigate to the Data view. Here, locate and select the column that houses your image URLs. Next, head over to the ribbon at the top of the screen and click on Column Tools. You'll notice an option to set the data category. Change this setting to Image URL. This step informs Power BI that the content of this column is intended to be displayed as an image rather than plain text, setting up the pathway for visuals in your report. With the Image URL column categorized correctly, you are ready to introduce it into the visual section of your report. On the report canvas, you'll need to add either a table or matrix visual, depending on what suits your data presentation best. Once your chosen visual is in place, include the Image URL column alongside any other fields you find relevant, such as names, values, and other pertinent data points. Almost instantly, you'll notice that the images appear as small thumbnails within the table, providing a visual companion to your data entries. To ensure your images are displayed exactly as you want them, it's time to tweak their presentation. Select the visual you're working with, and then go to the Format pane, where you'll find a paintbrush icon. Here, look for the image size settings, which allow you to adjust the height and width of the images within your table or matrix. Play around with these settings until you reach the size that best fits your report layout and visual preferences. And that's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively incorporate images into your Power BI reports, transforming them into more engaging and visually appealing presentations. This capability can significantly enhance the data story you're telling, providing deeper insights and fostering better engagement with your audience. So, make sure to try this out in your next Power BI project, and enjoy the added layer of data visualization it brings.